How to add admin to Facebook page, or how to give access to Facebook page. In order to give access to someone for your Facebook page, first of all open Facebook and log in from that page's page. So what I'm saying is tap the three lines option, tap on the drop down menu and log in from the page where you have the admin access and you want to add someone else too as an admin. Once you were logged in from the page, now you can tap on the three lines option again and scroll down and go to this option called settings and privacy, followed by settings, of course. Now once we're here under settings, we can see various type of options. We want to simply scroll down and over here we want to go to this option called page setup. So you can go to this option called page setup, and from page setup you can go to page access. Now from page access you can see a couple of admins already here. To invite someone as an admin, tap on the add new button, then tap on the next option. Then you can simply search for that person. In the access tab, then you can simply enter the access that you want to give, like an administrator access. If they accept the invitation, you will be able to go ahead and then add the admin to your Facebook page. That's all for this video. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.